The manufacture of paper-faced gypsum board from the preparation of a variety of raw materials, the mixing of slurry, the combination and molding of slurry and face paper, solidification into whiteboard, and then through cutting, drying, edge cutting, edge wrapping, and stacking, all links cooperatively closely to form an automatic mechanical flow operation line. All mix the raw material and the additives are injected into mixer and fall onto the vibration platform. Break the bubble, spread the slurry evenly, avoid empty and leakage material on both sides. And enter the foaming machine. The foaming machine is used to adjust the thickness of gypsum board. Then, complete the initial setting on the solidification belt. The initial setting belt is a whole belt, which adopts best ground or Candy-Tack in China. The number 1 initial setting belt roller is made of stainless steel. Wall thickness 2.5 millimeters. Number 2 initial setting belt roller adopts high precision joint pipe. Wall thickness 2.5 millimeters. Our rollers are strengthened by straightening equipment. The runout of the roller is less than 0.3 millimeter. And the frame body adopts 250 mm stick channel steel. The conveyor roller is stainless steel, which can light the heat of gypsum board out. Through the fixed length cutter, it's cutting into the required length, 2,400 mm, 3,000 mm, or other. The cutting machine adopts German SEW servo motor, and the cutting arrow is less than 2 millimeters. Then turn through number 1 transverse machine to make the gypsum board face side up. In order to keep gypsum board face side clean and make the protective paper stick well, then use the closing roller to make the spacing between the 2 boards meet the requirements, and then throw the distributor to the dryer. The dryer isolation panel's thickness is 160 millimeters, and the density is 120 kilograms per stir. The main chain of the dryer adopts the national standard 24A roller chain. Dryer is divided into 2 to 3 zones based on output to control the temperature of different zones. Avoid defects such as overburning and drying. The process has the advantages of environmental friendly, energy saving, high thermal efficiency. After drying, the gypsum board goes into number 2 transfer system through the distributor. Two gypsum board face papers are combined to keep face paper clean. Enter the fixed length trimming and automatic edge wrapping system, and then automatic stacking through the finished product conveyor. The maximum bearing capacity of the stacker is 5 tons, with energy storage station and the function of fast rise and fall. Speed of fast rise is 150 mm per sec, and that of fast fall is 200 mm per sec. After stacking, it is transported to the packing area by forklift for inspection and packaging. And the whole production process is completed.